Welcome to this lesson. So before making any thumbnail, we must know from where to download high quality images which we can use in our thumbnail. So for that, I'm going to take you to one website from where you can download high quality images for free. So the website name is pixabay.com. Okay, so you can see the website here. It's pixabay.com. So Pixabay 2.7 million plus stunning free images to use anywhere. Okay, so click on this. So stunning free images and royalty free stock. Popular images: Christmas, wallpaper, Thanksgiving, nature, background, sky, cat, winter. So whatever, I'm going to search image like anything mobile. So these are the pictures you can download and use in your thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so how to download it? I'm going to show you. Take the example of any picture. Okay. So let us see one picture and we will show you how to download. Take the example of this picture. So it's free to download. Just go ahead and click on free and then you select this option, because when you take this one, I think they will charge for you. So up to this it's free. Okay. So download it. Captcha, not a robot, and then download. Wow, you got the picture on your desktop. So we will search something more like aeroplane flying. Suppose you want to use this picture in your thumbnail. Click here, free to download, and you can download it for free. Yes, so there are millions of pictures. It's totally depends on you in what category you want to get images. So just go ahead, get it and download it. See this picture, plane flying. Okay, so it's totally depends on you, but remember the name of this website, and the website name is pixabay.com. Okay, let us visit home. So here you can see the option music, sound effects, GIFs, vectors, illustration. So just go through it and you can download it from this website without joining. Yes, so without wasting time, just we will go to the next lesson, and in the next lesson I'm going to cover how to download free video from the website, small video. Thank you so much. Meeting in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.